Holiness is so needed at many times in our lives and in the world. Sometimes we do not think about God's love, we do not think about people on earth, we just think about ourselves. Let us take lesson from Saint Julie Billiart's life. Good morning to each and everyone present here. This is Meenakshi Chaudhary from class 8th and we are celebrating Saint Julie's birthday today. 12th July is the feast day of Saint Julie Billiart. Saint Julie Billiart, whose life motto was, "Oh, how good God is." A French religious leader, social worker, educator of the poor children, and Roman Catholic Saint Julie Billiart believed that we should not lose our peace of soul in the midst of all troubles. Her life story is inspirational. Her simplicity, her desire to spread the goodness of God help us in living life of simplicity that is pleasing to God. Julie was born on July 12, 1751 in the French village of Quevilly. She was the fifth of 7 children. The effects of poverty, violence and illness reduced her to a state of near helplessness. She was unable to speak and walk. But she was never lost drive to work for the kingdom of God. Julie Billiart was born teacher. Already as a child, she liked to teach catechism to her playmates in her village. When her wealthy family slid into poverty, Julie had to work long hours, but she always made time to instruct others in the faith. She was afflicted with 23 years of paralysis, but she overcame these obstacles because of her deep faith. She was determined to serve God. From her bed, she prepared children for their first commission. She began to contemplate the establishment of a religious congregation for women. Julie and several other women founded the Institute of Notre Dame, a community of women dedicated mainly to the care and instructions of poor girls. In 1804, at the age of 53 and after 23 years of paralysis, Julie was miraculously cured. She was able to personally respond to the needs of her sisters and those they served. She died on April 8 in 1816. Dear friends, since 1804, more than 10,000 women have dedicated their lives as sisters of Notre Dame de Namur. Today, more than 2,000 sisters and 400 associates continue to live out the spiritual vision of Saint Julie Billiart, educating children and adults, working with the poor on 5 continents. Really, Saint Julie was a woman completely immersed in God's love and goodness, even in the midst of great suffering. She was a woman of vision who responded to the needs of the suffering world around her. Here I end my speech. Thank you to all of you.